Welcome to Sharpey's vlog, and yes, I'm back up making videos again. Hi all! I thought it were about time for a bit of a workshop update, or workshop vlog. I never know what to call them. So, it's me talking, if that interests you. It might be a bit jump cutty, this one, because I've tried to film it now about a million times. So I've decided just to keep rolling and keep gabbling on and piece it all together at the end. That way I might have half a video. Right, so I hope you all keep it safe and well during these unprecedented times. It just, it only seemed like a few weeks ago when I remember lads saying at work, oh, we'll be alright, it won't affect us. But anyway, keep safe and well. If you work for NHS and you're watching me, I take my hat off. It must be literally like being on the front line, I would guess. Definitely more courage than what I've got. Right, so I haven't watched much YouTube over the past 10 months, I'll go into that in a bit. But what I've been watching of late is Steve from Krafts. It predominantly started, as I remember, just doing wood turning. I don't mind watching wood turning like, but after a bit it tends to get a bit samey. And but now it seems to be diversifying a little bit and going into other places. I mean, I think he's from down south, but we can't turn down against him. You know, we've all got crosses to bear. That was just a joke. Don't take it seriously. But I think he's a very clever bloke, and I think we can learn a lot of him. So I'll leave a link in the description. Go and check him out. He's well worth a look. Right, in the last update, I go on about doing the downstairs bathroom in the house. I've got all the stuff. I've got the bath, I've got the all the bathroom suite, the tiles, the adhesive, everything I need. Now I'm on to the procrastination stage, the stage where you're trying to come up with excuses on why you can't do it. So once I get through that, I'll crack on with it. The workshop down the bottom, my young'uns clean it all out. So undecided on what to do with that. Whether to pang to, stick a new roof on it and make it back into a workshop like it used to be, or just knock it down and start again. One of the walls is leaning slightly. I don't know, I'm truly undecided on that one. Again, whatever happens is going to be whatever happens with the cash situation in the future. I mean, I think we're in uncharted territories at the minute on what's exactly going to happen. I think sometimes if you think about it, wherever's this virus or wherever, I think the economical situation could be just as bad. I think it probably will be just as bad, but so we'll have to see on that one and wait to find out what happens. One thing I've been turning over in my brain, I remember Keith Brown on Dragon Bone Brown's channel, he put an extension just to house his compressor and dust extractor on the back of his old workshop, if you remember it. I'm sort of thinking coming down that avenue, all the side of the workshop down that side is free, other than my caravan parked. I've got a good 2 or 3 foot to play with, so I'm sort of thinking maybe build like a half a shed to put my compressor in, maybe store my welders and things like that, stuff, big stuff that I don't use regular, to keep it out of here, to keep giving more space in here. This back bit behind there, I've built a retaining wall last year so I can have a bit of a patio, and I'm hoping to put just a lean-to roof on it so I can do a bit of blacksmithing. That's what I fancy having a look into. I've never done it like that before, so that will be a challenge, learn something new. So have you all been enjoying the last few videos?
They're a load of rubbish.
Thanks a lot, because basically, I mean, the channel won't be the channel without you lot watching, so if I can aim to please, I'll aim to please. I just enjoy making videos. I just wondered if I'd altered anything, because I'm a bit out of practice. So I might need to tweak things here, there, and again, depending on the economical situation, I'd like to get myself a new camera, because that one that I'm looking at now, is all around the lens. It's covering welding burns and grinding spark burns. If you could see, it looks like a right mess. Right, so that brings on to where I've been. This is not a sympathy vote, this is just to fill you in. I mean, a lot of you have been messaging me all the way through. I've got a few messages, so thank you very much for that. Am I alright, etc, etc. Yeah, basically anxiety and depression. I mean, us men should suffer with things like that, at least that's what I thought. It started back in about 2017. I started getting, really down and fed up. Thought about it, just plod on, and then as time went on it progressively got worse. I had another jump in, another spark in anxiety when the place I went to for the part-time bus driving, they put me back in the workshop, back on the spanners, which I love. That's what I'm trained to do, that's what I left school, that's what I wanted to do. It's just the fact that life took its twists and turns and you end up going off at spanners. So anyway, I've been back on spanners now for over a year, so I'm back settled into that. That's not an issue. But the anxiety was still there. There's still the bit of depression, bit of anxiety. So went to the doctors, went to see a bit of a head doctor, and started sort of getting my sense sorted out. So I started putting videos on last year. I think put 3 on last year, I think. And then my van got nicked, and that was it. That was the straw that broke the camel's back. It was part of me that had gone, and I know it sounds like daft, and but it worked. I mean, I don't know how it works in your houses, but the house is our lasses. Wherever she says goes, generally speaking. In here and my van, that was me. That was. I could do what I like in here. I could do what I like with that van. It's just part of me, and part of me had been nicked. And the depression and anxiety. I even got to the stage where I went to hospital one night because I thought I was having a heart attack. Our lass took me in the car. I was sweating, I couldn't breathe, and I couldn't just hold in my chest. This is it, I'm gone, I'm finally done. Turned out to a panic attack, which I felt a bit stupid about. It didn't feel like a panic attack at the time, though, I can tell you. So they've done all their ECGs and they've checked everything out, so everything's working alright, apart from the old brain. But we're getting there slowly, and I'm starting to enjoy life again. So I just thought I'd fill you in. That's what I've been going through. I went to Makers Central last year, and I shouldn't have gone. I walking around that, I mean, I love being there, but it was a panic attack. I had a panic. I had to keep going outside, and I was sweating. I didn't dare talk to anybody. It was horrendous, and I shouldn't have really. I were looking forward to going this year and trying to make up for the people that had tried to talk to me the year before. So if you did try to talk to me, I apologise. Now you know the reason. I am in a lot better frame of mind now. Luckily enough, I work with a guy who's been through a similar situation. I've always got my missus to lean on, who she's a pain in the arse most of the time, but we are together. She's always there for me, bless her. So that's it, that's the situation as it stands. I'm back to uploading videos. That'll be every Friday night for the foreseeable future. I don't know how, again, I don't think anyone does know what's going to happen. So up until something changes, it'll be every Friday evening. Not a Pacific time, I mean sort of between 5 and 7ish. That's what I used to aim for before, so I might go up a little early, might be a little bit later, depending on where I've gone. So that's about it. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you for commenting, and don't forget to go and check Steve's channel out. I think if you relate to my stuff, I think you relate to his stuff. I do think he's a clever man. He's got more to teach us, and that's it. So bye for this one, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.